Okay folks, I just want to make a quick video, and what I'm going to show you today is I've wired up the ATV sprayer. When we bought this this Polaris used, it had these two wires right down here. We're coming through right there. I didn't really know what they were for. I have just today wired them up here, but I'll talk about that in a second. But the other end of that was coming out here, so I knew it was for a sprayer or some type of attachment. And there's the new one that I just put on. Those made up, you can get them at Tractor Supply. So what I did was, when I saw that in the back, I knew what it was. So I came up here today. We're about to burn, so I wanted to have some water on the tank, to be able to spray. I cut off the cigarette lighter plug that was on the end of this piece here. You can get it at Tractor Supply. It was a wiring harness, and wired it up here, and then took the alligator clips, of course, plug it in here. And it was a pretty good, I'll put it in the description, the type of wiring harness it was, but basically it goes to your sprayer, and then it also has, it came with an on-off switch right here. So anyway, all right, well, just wanted to make a quick video of that, so stay tuned for more management videos.